Not freezing.
Yes, it's been very warm, and in fact we set a new record today of 78 degrees, beat our old record of 76. Take a look at the allergy forecast for the next 4 days. Tomorrow, medium levels when it comes to ash and juniper, but by Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday, it's going to be on the high side, so just watch out for that if you do suffer from allergies. Right now, still mild at this 6 o'clock hour, 71 degrees here in Las Vegas, as well as at Nellis Air Force Base, 70 in Boulder City, and mid to upper 60s in West Henderson, Centennial Hills, and Summerlin, and wind speeds look like this. Lighter now here in Las Vegas out of the southwest at 9 miles an hour. Still breezy in Boulder City out of the south at 22 miles an hour, and these winds will stay with us through the rest of the evening and even into the overnight time. So certainly not done with that wind just yet. And it's going to be another warm day tomorrow, but not expecting to tire breaking any records like we did today and yesterday, but still very warm for this time of the year. Warm, windy through the rest of the work week, but then by the weekend, if you like it a little cooler, we're going to be back down into the more normal range for this time of the year, and we'll have less wind as well. We'll start off in the 50s tomorrow, so very mild mornings. Take a look at the next couple of days. Our normal low is 42 to 43. We're going to be in the 50s and then cooling off by the weekend. High temperature trend for the next 5 days. 72 degrees tomorrow, 70 on Thursday, upper 60s on Friday, and then by Saturday and Sunday down into the lower 60s after that cold front moves on by. As we take a look here at the big picture, not a whole lot going on here in Las Vegas. Clear skies, still dealing with that wind at this hour, but the story is the system to our northwest here impacting Northern California as well as Central California, bringing them some pretty good soaking rain, and they're going to continue to see rounds of that throughout the week, even though we could use some rain here in Las Vegas. The last time we saw measurable rain was way back on July 13th, so it makes it 206 days without measurable rain here in Las Vegas. We'll have some clouds around first thing tomorrow morning, then mostly sunny by the afternoon hours, and we're going to be in and out of cloud cover the next couple of days as these systems move on by, but we are going to stay dry here in Las Vegas. Plenty of wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour tomorrow, 25 on Thursday, and still windy on Friday with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Winds will be out of the southwest through the rest of the work week. Overnight temperatures in the 50s, and tomorrow we're going to be in the upper 60s to low 70s, so get ready for another warm day. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Lower 60s by the weekend with mostly sunny skies and light winds, and we're going to stay in the low 60s Monday and Tuesday.